So it is Monday morning right now. I woke up not too long ago and we can see that the car is so filthy. But we did get something in the mail. And if you guys look here, we finally got the Alibaba valve back box. So I actually can't wait to install this because I can't lie. Now that we have the downpipe and the back box delete, this car, I can't lie, sometimes it gets way too loud. The drone, when you're like normally accelerating, could be kind of annoying. Ever since these icy mornings and nights, obviously that means that there's salt all over the road, which means the car gets absolutely filthy. This was like 3 days of not washing the car. But let's actually get into what this video is actually about and unboxing the brand new valved back box. And this one that came from Alibaba actually came really quick. Like, I'm pretty sure it only took like 2 weeks to come. So the first thing that we have are just the cables that'll probably connect from the wireless transmitter, which is here. And then we also have the remote for the valves. So it does actually seem like it's packaged very nicely. Now you can take it out slowly, hopefully. It's actually very small. But when I measured this one and the stock one is so much bigger. So this one, of course, is gonna have to fit into the car. But let's actually go and get the last cold start of the 330e. And then we're gonna do another cold start with the new back box, with the valves open and closed. And we're gonna see how much different it actually sounds.
One day later.
So it is currently 7 a.m. and every time I wake up this early, it reminds me how much of a morning person I'm not. And I guess right now, because it's so early, you guys are gonna see exactly why I hate this current exhaust setup, because it's just loud for no reason. I'll park up here for a second, turn on the cold start. And I don't know if you can hear me, but it's loud as fuck. And this is why I need that back box. But once it tones down quite a bit. So now you can tell that the cold start is like basically fully done. But I do wonder exactly how it's gonna sound with the valves, because I've never had valves on a car, so I wonder like the big difference from the little back box or the straight through. So I actually can't wait for that. Alright, what do we have here? This was really only like 10 minutes of driving. This is fizzy water. Bro,
fizzy water to wash the windscreen.
Do I have to ChatGPT this if it works or not?
No! At least you have no fizzy water to drink.
Go train a bit.
No fizzy water this time.
No fizzy water, bro.
Oh shit, sipping lean over here.
We have a temporary solution of windscreen. We can literally actually see out the screen, like, hello?
A few moments later.
We have a quick little food stop or drink stop, you know? Have to get some thirsty, some, you know, some food, some water in the system. Because I mean, it has been like an hour and like 50-minute drive and we still have like 30 minutes left. Sponsoring Tesco over here. They're like 70 cents each. What did we get? Monster juiced. Drinks acquired. Car looking clean. So now we can get a reaction of the back box. We have a nice little... The quality is actually really good. So like either just goes straight through or like it blocks it and it goes through the little like back box that's here.
That's tough.
Bro, I actually can't wait for this shit to be installed.
Like, welded nice enough as well. No, it's not like shitty weld.
Yeah, like a little like bubbles.
This is a bit.
Hopefully just nothing breaks while the pops and bangs or like verbals are gonna be doing or something, you know?
Well, the pop and bang just pops right through it.
No, I actually can't wait for that to be installed. Okay, so I'm being spoiled a little bit. Apparently, I am getting put on this.
Try it. Like, you haven't tried it? Try it. I'm telling you, game changer.
Okay, let me see. I'll be legit.
But now think of this. Every other monster is like sweet as shit.
Okay.
Try this one.
It's actually...
It's nice.
It's good because, as you say, they're not fucking sweet.
Exactly. It tastes sweet, but it's not sweet.
Because even like my monster, like, not mine. Like the white one, that's so fucking sweet.
But this one's nice. It's like a berry flavor which is supposed to be sweet, but it's not too sweet.
To be fair, like if you told me this was like a little like berry juice or something, I'd be like, okay.
But it's nice. And it's not even zero sugar. It's full sugar.
Oh, that's bad then. I'm on a diet. I'm on a diet here, guys. But like town driving does not get boring with the exhaust, but obviously I do not want to have like only quiet or only loud. So hopefully that back box will be so fucking perfect. I love town driving and just... Bro. Oh, stop, bro.
But the sound of the...
Bro, fuck.
It sounds like you have like a turbo spooling up when you do it. swear to God it is.
It is.
Bro, you hear it fluttering after as well, like
Because we also do not have the pops and bangs because there has been some complications with MG Flasher a little bit with the license, so I will get it back very, very soon. So, I mean, the car still sounds really good. If the wind noise wasn't so bad.
oh God.
Little nice Audi. Skoda. That is not going into the vlog, I promise you that.
Maybe when we're leaving we should. Guard.
You know how fast I put that into electric?
They probably don't know where the sound came from. Oh, motherfucker is looking for where the sound came from.
A few moments later.
Alright, so let's see. How are you? To put my new backbox in. I got a valved backbox. I know you guys done the backbox for me before. So yeah, I have a valved backbox if you want to see it. It's way smaller than the other one, so I mean, than the stock, so I'm sure like, you know, it'll fit. The car is so dirty. I literally fully washed it yesterday as well. The difference.
They might be slightly different on, say.
Yeah.
I think they're slightly less gloss. I think they're a bit
No, yeah,
more
that's
matte.
fine. As long as it's the same fit, like.
Yeah, it's the exact same.
Yeah. These are like burnt anyway. The back of the new A5s are actually kind of nice though, no? Another 330e, little 3 Series. It just sucks that everything is just like 2 liter, like, and it's diesel. I guess maybe that's what people buy, like diesels, but I mean, I love that it has like the wrapped roof. That's what I need to get.
Yeah.
What's up, vlog? My nose is red as fuck. We're being nice and we're waiting in the waiting room because they do not want to be vlogged. So I guess we will see when we are done. Ain't that right? Yes, he approves as well. To be fair, they do have like a nice waiting room, I can't lie. Alright, so we can see how this sounds. We did finish. We couldn't record it because I didn't want to be on camera, which I mean, I guess it is what it is. And also, this was so much more fucking expensive than I was told. When I was on the phone, it was meant to be around, he said 200 to 250, because I already said I wanted like the new tips, and they said 400 euro when it was done. So it was like 220 for the back box, and then 400 for this. He even said 450, but I said I didn't have enough, because I don't know it's going to be that much. I was going to bring around like 200, 300, because that's how much, you know, they said. So, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. It is what it is. They wanted 450. That was 350 what they made before, which I guess it's like average price, maybe even a little bit cheaper.
Yeah.
See how it sounds.
This sounds nice.
It sounds way quieter.
That sounds nice, you can hear the turbo though. It does sound good though. It does sound
It
good.
sounds good, but it's a lot quieter. And,
Yeah.
and this is the back box like open apparently. So that's strange. I mean, okay,
It
wait.
makes sense though. Bro, with the straight pipe, that shit was loud.
Yeah, and this is, unless the valves, I don't know.
Unless the box holds in all the sound.
It sounds a lot more controlled. It's not like raspy anymore.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm actually confused. Wait, they did overcharge by a lot. For example, I don't know if you guys can see old back box. It's sitting in there. And then of course I said that yeah, I want it, mainly so I could resell it and make some money back, because I actually thought it was gonna be like around 250. Because when I was on the phone yesterday or 3 days ago, he literally said, oh yeah, it'll be from like 200 to 250, and I literally told him. Maybe he did say might be a little bit extra for the tips, but how much are the tips? 200 euro as well? Obviously our conclusion is that, but it gives it like, it's weird because like it sounds sporty, but it doesn't sound like so obnoxious as the last one.
Yeah. Like even the downshift.
I mean, this is actually so perfect for just like normal like city driving, whatever.
Yeah.
Doesn't actually shake the fucking cabin and
But
vibrate everything.
even when you put the foot down, people look.
Yeah.
Like you can hear it. So you need to.
This set me back though, 400 euro for this.
I know.
We are gonna stop by Tesco for a second, and we're gonna try to plug in back box so we can see if we can actually open the valves or the story with it. I wonder if you can have like full pops and bangs with the, if you have like the valves closed and it goes through the back box.
I won't do it.
No?
Bro, the fucking thing to open and close is gonna be dented with the fucking.
Oh my god, wait. there's something about it. Oh my god. We missed the turn 3 times now. So far that only happened when we were going like very, very slow.
It's like a vibration,
Yeah.
and then it stops. Like try rev it
Oh, that's true.
and just see like slowly.
We were just testing it out at the Tesco, and you can see here,
Hand doesn't go in.
you can't fit your hand in, and you can fit your hand in all the way. So
Pretty much at all.
yeah, so if I go here, and then I go here, you can tell it's, yeah. So we might go back, kind of see if they can fix it, because clearly, I guess if you're spending that much fucking money, then it should be done properly. And now, which way would we even do it? Because I think it's meant to go this way. You can put it inside.
One eternity later.
All right, so we literally just realized that this has no battery as well, so we can't even test it out. So now whenever we're just accelerating like slowly, you can hear like something is shaking. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Like I still don't know exactly what could be making that noise, but. All right, so we got the car back, and I think it should be fine. So let's really see. So we can quickly just test it out and just fully see it's gone. So there's no like rubbing now. See, that's nice. There's no rumbling. It's not vibrating.
Oh, it's nice.
But he was showing me that the tips apparently are like £100 each. The tips alone were £100 each. And I was like, no one had really told me that, you know? Like €300 for the tips, he said, alone. So I was like, if I knew that, then I would have changed up my option. Thankfully, you know, the boss man is pretty cool. So he gave me back €50. It did cost me still $350. Apparently the tips itself were $150 each, he was saying. So €300 just for the tips, which is kind of
crazy.
absurd. If I knew that beforehand, I literally have old tips on my own car. I would have reused it, but no one ever told me, so.
And the guy never told you the price before
No,
you
yeah,
put them
like,
on.
to be fair, I did call them, and then they did say it would have been around 200 to 250 plus tips. But I thought tips were going to be like €40, €50. So if you're ever getting your car done from an exhaust place, just make sure you see how much the tips are, because apparently they cost a lot, which I didn't know. So we came back, they fixed the rumble. Now there's like no rumble, so we can literally. And it's
Like,
weird.
In my opinion, it sounds completely different now.
No,
like nicer.
It's way different.
Like there's no vibration, no type of sound.
Thankfully,
Before
yes.
there was.
It was like shaking the entire cabin.
And like, it does sound like a sport car.
If someone doesn't have enough money for get a valve back box, I would just get a downpipe.
Yeah.
Our back box is good, but you get way more drone. And when I hit around 145, that's when there was a lot of drone, and when I was going 100.
Yeah.
So let's go up to 100, where like I usually get drone.
Nothing. It's quiet.
I can actually drive on 100 roads, literally peacefully now, with no and speeding up more just so the drone will go away. We have our last town for the night. I love how quiet it is.
Bro, but it sounds so
Oh yeah,
good
it
taking
sounds
off.
good, but it's quiet.
Yeah, but it sounds like a sports car now.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
when it takes off, it's not like crazy mad like tone to it. It's just like, you know, I can't wait for you to have like your stage 1 or stage 2 with your pops and bangs, like
and then the
everything
valves
just set up,
working.
yeah.
Everything fully working, yeah, literally.
Like that shit's
That's
gonna
literally the
sound
main
sick.
thing.